Turn out my beats a little. I'm a brontosaurus with the bronchitis, smoking bongs like it's healthy while I call fire. I'm an obsolete Commodore 64 price too high with no software and a hot virus. I'm pixelated porn on my phone pilot, all excited, trying to find it all before my mom subscribed and cut the light on. If I need a compromising position, I took him for kids on the wrong side. Cryogenic cardio, wild cut. Knuckle under primary primal hunt. All you trans fat rappers get labels suck. Recycle versus like rival stuff. Y'all ain't lying enough. Digitizing tribal terms for sugar-coated rhymes and stuff. You took my whole stuff. Good luck with them high school sluts. The new style of upper some shit. It's a sideshow, trusty mother. Fuck. Is there a barber in the house? You can't see a trim so gnarly on your Is that some gossip in your mouth? Shit, it's all hearsay. You're having a time. Is there a barber in the house? Can't see a trim so gnarly on your Is that shit talking in your mouth? Fair play, perpetual bad. Barbershop, but there's always something to talk about. And if you don't got money, then you can walk it out. Primo nutting off the top, sensational denier. The heavyweight champion of Solano. I'm backstroking lava, and guys are out of quicksand. But everybody seems to be surprised that I'm a next thing. Gundy, and only with precision and game time. This is how you know none of this division. Listen, I'm trying to teach prison to a vision. Do yourself a favor, grab your shit and stop slipping. I'll make sure to clean up all the clippings. Don't you look different? Feel that I shit in it like it's fixing. I'm going out of life and cover of the recycling. Put me on the flight list, I'm about to roast the strikers. I can you want and right minds it's too bad, too bad, we take you down. Is there a farmer in the house? You can't see a trick, so I'm gnarly on your house. Is there a gossip in your mouth? Shit, it's all hearsay. You're having a bad. Is there a farmer in the house? You chillers need a snippet, so gnarly.